Hello, dear students. Today is now continue chapter first, the living world, adaptation and classifications. Today is now adaptation in animals. Make a list of animals in our surroundings. Compare the diversity of animals listed by your friends with your list. Discuss the habitats, food habits, characteristics of body structures like vertebral column, wings, gills, tails in etc. And prepare the chart. What difference do you see between terrestrial and aquatic animals as compared to terrestrial animals? The skin and body shape of aquatic animals appear to have undergone change. Fishes have scale on the fins on the body. Their body tapers towards both its end like spindle. Fish breathe with gills instead of a nose. Their eyes have transparent eyelids. They have air bladders within the body to help them to float. Student observe dog, duck and tortoise and say the answer. First question, of what use are the legs to their animals? Second, what helps frog to breathe underwater? Third, of what use are the long hind legs of a frog? Why doesn't a duck get wet in water? Dear students, has the frog and duck have webbed toes? Now you seen two frog and duck between pictures seen carefully, students. Webbed toes. They can use their legs like oars. Water flow of the waxy feathers of birds like duck and water hen. Webbed toes, silvery, smooth skin and a triangular head. Now frog. Help frog to swim easily through water, dear students. They can live on land as well as in water due to their ability to breathe through the skin in water, dear, and use the nose and lungs on land. The typical colors of frogs back help it to hide among grasses. Now next point, dear students, adaptation in forest and grassland animals. Carnivorous animals like the wild dog, fox, tiger and lions have a strong legs. In carnivorous animals have strong legs to run fast, capture their prey. They have claws and their canine teeth are sharp and pointed. What is the function of such teeth? This enables them to silently stalk their prey and capture it easily, dear students. Students have podded paws. The eyes of predatory carnivores and located in the front of their head. It helps them to spot their prey from a long distance. Now herbivorous animals, they have of herbivores are blue for forehead on either side of the head. This gives them wide angle vision which helps to protect them from predators. Dear students, their legs are long, tapering with strong hooves, which enables them to run fast, taking long leaps. Now their long moving ears can receive sound from long distance and different directions, dear students. Deer and blackbuck have colors that merge with their surroundings. Their teeth are strong for chewing tongue plant materials. Next point, dear students, adaptation in desert animals. Deserts are characterized by scarcity of water. Servers scarcity of water. Hence, desert animals. Now, dear students, camel. Hence, desert animals have a thick skin to prevent loss of water from the body. Their legs are long with flat and cushioned soles. The nostrils are protected by folds of skin, dear students. The eyelashes are long and thick. Now, in another desert animals, dear students, rats, snakes, spiders, lizards, is in desert animals. Live in deep burrow during daytime and are active at night. Next point, dear students, adaptation in animals of snowy regions. From the internet, download image of animals like yak, polar bear, white fox, silver fox, mountain goat, sidewalk, and snow leopard. Compare these images with those of similar animals from tropical forest. A white or silver body color, long thick hair on the skin are in next point, dear students, adaptation in aerial animals. You seen in this picture, students. First picture now vehicle, in other picture in aeroplanes. In these two pictures now betweens, tell me differences. The spindle shaped body of birds also minimize the resistance of air while flying. With hollow bones, a body covering of feathers and modifications. With hollow bones, a body covering of feathers and modifications of forelegs into wings, dear students. Their body is light in weight and adapted for flying. The body of insects, dear students, the body of insects also is light in weight and tapers at both ends. They can fly with two wings, and also walk with 6 sticks like legs. 6 legs, dear students, in these insects, in 6 legs. Bat can fly with the help of patagium, a thin fold of skin between their forelegs, hind legs. Adaptation in reptiles in another point. Which organs do they use for creepings? Snake, earthworms? Are there any special changes for that purpose? Animals like house lizard, garden lizard, crocodile use their muscles for creeping. Similarly, they show adaptation in skin, slows of feet, body, colors, etc. Student, for example, the house lizard and monitor lizard have clawed toes, and for example, the house lizard and monitor lizard have clawed toes and thin slows, whereas snake have scaly skin. Dear students, carefully see, the snake have a scaly skin. In another point, adaptation for food in animals. Herbivorous animals and carnivorous animals. We can categorize animals as herbivores and carnivores. Herbivorous animals eat food in grass, and carnivorous animals eat defend in foods in other animals. We will discuss this in greater details in the chapter on nutrition. Watch the programs on channels like, dear students, National Geographic, Discovery channels, and Wild channels. Frog, snakes, birds, mosquitoes, butterflies, etc. Complete the following chart, your own observation, dear students. Adaptation, animals, use of adaptation. Now, adaptation, sharp teeth. Animals like lion, tiger, use of adaptation to tear the flesh. Adaptation, long and pointed beak. In another adaptation, short beak. In another adaptation, long and sticky tongues and long necks. We students complete these charts. Adaptation for bleeding with the surroundings. We cannot easily spot colorful butterflies, lizards, and grasshoppers. They get camouflaged amidst grasses, parts of plants like stem, leaves, flowers, etc. That is because their colors blend with those of their surroundings, dear students. Changes that take place in the various organs and life process, dear students. Organisms that enable them to live, feed, reproduce, to perpetuate themselves. Organisms that enable them to live, feed, reproduce, to perpetuate themselves and protect themselves from their enemies in specific surroundings, dear students, depending upon the habits and its geographical conditions.